go, YouTube. With my man's now. We not doing nothing. He got a G37 XS. You guys have never seen him before on the channel, I don't think. Oh, she popping for y'all. We just cruising. You feel me? I had to hop on a phone with it. This is the 15 Pro Max show. I like this quality, I'm not gonna lie. This quality looks insane. Y'all go ahead, do me a favor real quick and comment down what camera y'all like better, the 15 Pro Max or the GoPro Hero 9. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy STINO RWD back at y'all with another video. And we got the G's back to back with my man's Nile.
G's, man.
Yeah, I mean, it's a 2012 XS. Use the sport model versus the, y'all already know what I got, the Journey rear-wheel drive base. We about to just go for a little run, couple pools, couple races, cut up a little bit, you feel me, and whatnot. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get a walk around of both cars. Start up with mine real quick. And it's about to rain, so I gotta cover the little innings. Gotta walk around. Yes. And we got my man, shit. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I told him not to do this, and he did it. So I want all y'all in the comments to get in his ass about this shit. Real car niggas don't do this.
Bro, this shit hard.
No, it's not, bro.
It look like a shark.
It's not. A shark?
Bro.
That shit not hard, bro. But you got the XS motherfucker. You gotta walk around. This shit blacked out, murdered out too. You know what I mean? But yeah, you about to go ahead and get it cracking, get it popping. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share to a friend, hit the bell down below. And yeah, about to go ahead and get into the video. Hope y'all enjoy it. Make sure y'all comment down below what y'all want to see for the rest of the summer. Anything you gotta say? You think you gonna win? You think like?
Oh no, I'm gonna win for sure.
Why the fuck you lying?
That's a bet we gonna see. We raced before. We raced like probably 10 times.
3:28 a.m.
1, 2, 3, go! Oh, this nigga, bro.
And I think I'm up on the score right now. But yeah, he's beat me too. So we're gonna see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Peace. Good, YouTube. Go ahead, throw on that seatbelt. And y'all know my tire's still bald for real. So I really hope this rain can cut it out and hold off until after my video. My man's already left. I don't know why he did that dumbass shit. Look, now I'm back here and he up there. He a nut. It's raining, man. I better not be slipping.
Oh, I thought you was ready.
You left me and I was still parked, nigga. Laughing and shit. I'm right here, bro. I'm ready to pull up on you right now. And I'm recording.
You see what I texted you?
No.
You said you was driving slow.
Fuck you driving slow, nigga. I'm supposed to wait. Not bad, nigga. Nigga.
My bad, good.
Y'all, he retarded, bro. Like, I don't know what's wrong with him. Here he go right here. Supposed to ride together for the video. See, we can do a couple runs. On you. choke, I think. Oh, RS5. Hey, you take off first. You take off first. In sport or drive, I don't know what he at. This RS5 look good. We can do a 40 roll. Cool. On you. Wait, Audi. Promise you, shorty. Rain a little too heavy. Red chalk it. Shit. Drive safe, shorty. Go to the left. Yeah, no, we was already hopping on the road. I gotta teach him how to drive that motherfucker for real, because that shit could be way faster. You feel me? I think he was just in sport mode. He wasn't in gears or nothing. And it's wet, and I got ball tires, and I'm rear-wheel drive. Hope I don't spin, we good. Not back in that drive. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy the content. Some little quick little video. Dragging. Woo! Every time I put this headset on, it mess up my hair. Look like I'm part of the what's the name? Avatar community. That thing right there. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Cool little something. Not nothing crazy. Yeah, man. But yeah, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, share it to a friend, hit that bell down below. And yeah, I'ma holler at y'all in the next video.